Okay, guys, so I have started working on a folding picnic table bench thing. So this is what I have. I didn't record building these because I'm following a set of plans that I found. I'll link the plans below, or I'll try to if I can find them. So I don't want to show you guys exactly how to build it because I did pay for them. So yeah, these are my two benches. As you can see, 2x6, 2x4. This is all 2x4s. And then to build the top, I have all my deck boards cut. And then these are gonna be like the armrests for the bench slash like what hold the table up. Yeah, I will time lapse the rest for you guys and show you what I'm done. Alright, there are the 4 armrests built. I believe now these are gonna go something like this. And there'll be like a hinge there that'll fold into the picnic table. Alright, so I have the top of one bench done. And here, if you're following along on the plans, so these are the 2x2 boards that they put in there. In the plans, they set the three deck boards out, screw the 2x2s on top, and then flip the whole thing over. But that's just more measuring and more time, so I just attached them right away, and then I'll just space my boards on there and screw them down. I'll put my one 2x2 in the middle as well for a little more support. And then next is just putting the deck boards on the back of these arms and then attaching them on. have it, folks. It is far from perfect, but for the first one, I don't think it's bad. I got a little bit, sticks a little bit right here. That was the only thing I noticed, was it sticks a little bit when it flips on that back edge. So maybe these boards should be a little bit longer. I think that would help. Maybe if these boards were like even a 1/4 inch longer, I think that would help a lot. I mean, I don't think the plans were perfect either. I probably could have done a few things better, but maybe I'll put the plans in the description if you guys want to try it, but be open to checking out some other plans too. These ones were a little confusing in some spots, but overall I think it's not too bad. I will definitely enjoy using this.